Hi everyone, today I'm making mì Quảng Trộn or Quang-style noodle salad. This is definitely one of my childhood favorites. And the person who makes the best mì Quảng Trộn in the world is of course my mom. The other day I posted her photo of mì Quảng Trộn on Instagram and so many of you were interested in the recipe. So today finally it's time for a video recipe. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
I have here 7 ounces or 200 grams each of shrimps and pork. The shrimps I have peeled and deveined, and the pork belly is thinly sliced. We're gonna season them separately with some minced shallot, pepper, chicken stock about half a teaspoon each, and a teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix well and set aside for about 15 minutes. Now in a large wok, heat 4 tablespoons of extra virgin peanut oil and saute some minced garlic or shallots until really fragrant. Now extra virgin peanut oil is very unique to Quảng Nam province and it gives mì Quảng a really unique taste. If you can't find it, just replace with whatever cooking oil that you have. Now add the shrimps and sear on both sides until they turn pink. And then transfer to a clean plate with a slotted spoon. That looks quite a lot of oil, but trust me, you're gonna need that much for this dish. Now into the seasoning oil in the wok, add the seasoned pork and also stir fry for about 5 minutes so it is completely cooked through. Turn the shrimp back and add bean sprouts and stir fry for about 2 more minutes until it's wilted. Then turn off the heat. Now in a mortar and pestle, crush some garlic, chilies and 2 tablespoons of sugar really finely. Here I just crush directly in a small bowl. Then add 4 tablespoons of fish sauce and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now add the flat rice noodles and drizzle some of the sauce, adjusting to your taste. Add some more herbs like mint or basil or cilantro and mix really well. The herbs are so fresh, it smells really good. Then add some crushed roasted peanuts for more crunch. And that's it, it's ready to serve. Transfer to a serving plate and garnish with more crushed roasted peanuts, some chili slices to make it look really sexy, and a few drops of sesame oil to give everything a shiny look and fragrant smell. This dish is actually not that popular, but I'm sure if you try out my mother's recipe, you're gonna fall in love with it instantly. I hope you give it a try and let me know how it turns out. This recipe, together with so many other pho and noodle recipes, can be found in my cookbook, Simply Pho, which is available now on Amazon and all other bookstores on and offline. You can click on the link to grab one now if you haven't already. Otherwise, just click subscribe and turn on the bell button so you won't miss my next video when it comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.